Hi everyone. So this movement is going to be standing hip lifts. So this is a glute focused movement, trying to improve your range of motion through your pelvis in lateral tipping, in elevating one side of your hip relative to the other. So I advise starting with your hand against the wall, and you're going to be moving the opposite hip. So on the stand leg, you're going to push your hips forward so you feel a nice strong glute squeeze on that side. Bend the knees slightly, squeeze the abs, and then you're going to be lifting this hip up and then back down to the ground. And then lifting in the hip, back down. You don't want to be bringing your knee up, right? So the knee stays extended. You're just lifting it up. Should feel the glutes firing on both sides. And just elevating that hip and down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, if you're feeling really comfortable with that, you can come off the wall. Do it, same thing, just kind of free balancing. Working on the range of motion of your hips. So if you think about the iliac crest, your hip bones, the highest point there, you can put your thumbs on that, and then that will help you kind of guide your pelvis in what you're trying to do. You're trying to think about bringing one side up in relation to the other side. Just back and forth with that. Anything of note to focus on? Try to make sure you're holding the tension in the glute in your standing leg. You don't want to be like super locked down, crushing the squeeze. You just want to make sure it's tension so that you have some activity there. Oftentimes the glute will not want to fire in this position, so you have to kind of consciously be like squeezing so it stays active while you're doing that motion. Otherwise you're going to use your low back most likely. So try it out. If you have stairs, you can do this on stairs, because that will let you drop your foot down further, so you're working both sides. But if you don't have stairs, just doing it freestanding is a totally valid option. It's still going to be really challenging, still get you that nice range of motion in your pelvis. So enjoy.